Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we were given a new set, a new release to play with us in the A Goodwin Design PR team. It is a plant themed set and it's called Garden in Life. So I'm just setting up a quick spread to show you some of the stickers. So this is my setup for today. So today is the 10th of February. This set will be available on Etsy on Monday, so this coming Monday. I'm not sure what date that is, let me just check. I think it's the 15th, Monday the 15th. So it'll be available on the Etsy shop and possibly Holly Pixels if she puts it on there. So this set, like I said, is plant themed. It's got lots of darker pastel colours, greens, oranges, and those kind of colours. And it has about 500 stickers to play with. So lots of variety, not quite a big kit and not a mini kit either, sort of somewhere in between. If you watch till the end of the video, I will I will share with you a code for a discount in the A Goodwin Design Etsy shop, so that you can save yourself some money if you like this set. So here we are then. What I'm doing now is I'm just drawing a line at the bottom of the page to make it look like a shelf, using the hex codes to change the colour so that it matches everything else, and then I'm going to put some plants on that shelf to make it look like the plants are on a shelf, and then I shall put in a decorative quote. I'm just trying to look for one. Well, more flower pots actually. So the quote I chose was, "I love playing in the dirt." I actually can't wait to get out of my garden and start gardening again. At the moment it's covered in snow because we've had lots of snow here in England. So the next thing I'm doing here is putting in some decorative circles in different colours and designs to fill out that white space above the quote in the green box. And then I shall add a header to my journal box on the left hand side, a today header. And then that's actually the spread complete. So what I'm going to do now is take a screenshot of it and move it into Autodesk Sketchbook. If we remember, I said before I was using an Android device, so the main apps I use for planning are Xodo and Autodesk Sketchbook. So what I'm doing now is making a desk scene. I'm using tablet overlays from Pink Punch Studio. It's the muted teal mobile office set. I'll put a link in the description to A Goodwin Design Etsy shop and Pink Punch Studio as well, where I got the tablet overlay from. So we're just finishing up now with some desk clutter, some pens, and I'm going to put some candles on there, a stylus, and I'm going to decorate the area with some paper clips. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you stay tuned until the end, like I said, I have a discount code for you to use in the Etsy shop. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. So everybody, if you want some discount in the A Goodwin Design Etsy shop, the code you need is AGD Team, which will get you 20% off.